Okay, Mopar fans, you are beholding a beautiful, beautiful Challenger RT convertible, plum crazy, white bucket seat interior, rally dash, 446 pack, 4-speed, pistol grip 4-speed. Very nicely done. Very beautiful car. And depending on how you see it, fortunately or unfortunately, it's a recreation. The fifth digit in is a C. So for those of you that know, this was originally a 6-cylinder convertible, but someone has done a impeccable restoration back to as if it were a V code 446 pack. Seemingly pretty clean. But this one was born from the factory as a 6-cylinder, but somebody has taken the time to do a recreation in plum crazy as a V code 446 pack. So here's a way of driving around as if it's the real thing, and you can drive it like you own it. That's the advantage. And look good doing it. So depending on your viewpoint, if this was real, this would be probably damn near $1 million at the Meekum prices that you see. But right now, I'm not sure what they want for it. It is online here at Ideal Classic Cars here in Venice, but it is a recreation. But I'm going to tell you right now, it is really nicely done. So there you have it, Dodge fans. Plum crazy Challenger RT convertible, rally dash, pistol grip 4-speed recreation. This is Gause Garage, Venice, Florida. Thank you.